Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, September 6, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. As you can see, we already hit our dollar marker, so we're going to lock in half our gains and continue to play it bar by bar. And here is a $2 move. If we go up there with speed and violence, there's a potential, hold on, got close, but it didn't trigger. As I was saying, if it gets up to that $2 area and then it retraces, we're going to play it to the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. If it goes straight to the 21 without pausing, we'll continue to manage. So we'll see how things play out bar by bar as usual.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in a guaranteed $1 move, and we're going to wait for the retrace. Now, depending on how the retrace happens, if it's a minor retrace, we'll stay in probably past the 21 moving average on the 1 minute and through it. If it gets more towards a 1/3, 1/2 retrace, we might just play it to the 21 moving average. So we're going to play it bar by bar, but again, we're going to see how the next retrace in this move works. We're in an impulse, we're coming off impulse. I want to see how the retrace goes. So if you look right now, if we have a Fibonacci, we're in that 1/4, 1/3 area. So if it holds there, it might have more strength, but if it drops lower, again, it has to cross the high before we can actually count it as the retrace. So what I'll do is I'll show you right here. So we went up an impulse, we're pulling back if it holds that area, and it takes off. That's what it looks like. If it drops lower, we might just play it to the 21 at that point. So again, everything is a bar by bar assessment. If you have a plan, you have to be willing to adjust the plan to optimize your trading strategy for that particular time in the market. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, number one, it almost took us out of our $1 move, but it dropped lower. So what we're going to do is we're going to play this to the 21 on the 1 minute and close out, call it a day, because this is technically a counter-directional trade and we're just snapping back. So that's what the play was all about.
Order filled.
And there's a $2.40 move, ladies and gentlemen. Let me move this. Here's our retrace, and our target was the 21 on our 1 minute chart. As always, never forget, be a pro.